The fat you eat is the fat you wear.
If you clicked on this video, you probably already heard the news about Dr. John McDougall, and you might be wondering what the reason is why he passed away at quite a young age, 77. And today I'm going to share with you my thoughts and why I think that is. But first of all, I want to send my warm and heartfelt condolences to his family. Very sorry to hear about the loss, and I hope they all are doing good. And I, of course, researched and looked up what the reason for his death was, and it's still not 100% clear what caused it, but his daughter said that he died peacefully in his sleep, which I think is a really, really good sign. And also, it says here that he suffered from a stroke at age of 18.
Age 18, it kind of came together with a pretty dramatic event. I had a massive stroke, which paralyzed the entire left side of my body, and that put me in the medical business.
And since then, this has left him with a lifelong disability, which, considering that, I think is a pretty clear sign that, you know, who knows how early on he might have died if he hadn't been embarking on a high carbohydrate, plant-based, vegan lifestyle.
And I spent the next 2 years studying in the scientific library.
And that's actually also that stroke what led him into researching, into getting into health and nutrition and all of these things. So I think that's quite interesting. So those were my thoughts. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you think I've missed anything, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!